In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create a new league on Fantasy Premier League. Let's get started. First, launch your Fantasy Premier League app on your phone. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the Fantasy tab. Over here, you're going to find the section Leagues and Cups. This is where you will see all the leagues you are already in and the option to create a new one. Tap on Create League, you will see two options. Classic League, points are added up each game week. Head-to-head league, you go head-to-head against another player each week like a football match. Next, give your league a name, for example, Work Buddies League or Family FPL 2025. Then select whether you want it classic or head-to-head. You can also decide if it's a private league, where people join only by a code, or a public one that anyone can find. Once a league is created, FPL will give you a unique code and an invite link. Simply copy this and share it with your friends on WhatsApp, Messenger, or email. They just need to enter the code in Join League option, and that's it. Your league is now active. As soon as others join, you'll start seeing them on the leaderboard once the game week kicks off. And that's how easy it is to create a new league on Fantasy Premier League. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.